Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get a direct deposit form on the TD Bank app. Start by finding the My Accounts button on the home screen and selecting Banking. If your menu looks different, scroll down until you see the option. Now select the account where your funds will be directly deposited. On the account screen, tap the Summary tab. Then choose the Direct Deposit Information View option. If your menu looks different, you may need to scroll down again. This will display your bank account information, including your bank name, transit number, branch number, institution number, and account number. You can use this information to set up direct deposit with entries like the CRA or your employer. To download a copy of the form, scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Get Form button. This will download a PDF copy of the direct deposit form to your device, which you can open using a PDF reader. You can also save this form for future use. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.